Hi everyone, this box, my mail comes from the Sitaram stationery. I already opened it because there are so many stuffs in there. I want it to get. Then 2 hours, so I'm getting all of them out. You already can see it. First we ordered, this is a paper crystal box they sent, but this is all, like, not all the colors, but this is like 76 colors है इसमें. 76 colors of of individual pans. Sorry, my camera is not focusing. Individual pans of white nights watercolors. I have pastels and every color I need. I just only open one to just test it. And yeah, I have this beautiful new granulated watercolor set. Let's open it first. I'm not opening everything, but I'm just showing you what I got. Then I will open everything. Then I got this Anupam ka watercolor paper, 100% cotton. Hot, this is cold press, and also I got the hot press one. I got both. I didn't try them. I really want to try them. I always use Rusto का, but मुझे इतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं, उनका कलर का बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है. And then last but not the least, my expensive purchase is, I know they're expensive, but this brush, like this brush is like, I got the silver white brushes, number 6 and number 2, and this masking fluid. So this is all like my investment. Yeah, I will open them and swatch it for you guys. If you wanna see their like swatches, I will arrange them all. The problem is one that I ordered endorphin blue cup tube, but they didn't send me that one. Yeah, let's see what they will do. I talk with them, but yeah, I don't know. So I'm first creating the pastel palettes, the pastel color with this jugaad. I have this old palette with what I cleaned, and I will use this for like when palette as a. Okay, let's unwrap this and put it all here. Then we'll swatch after we all arrange this all colors. Okay. No, the pan is really pretty. This is the color royal blue. Okay, I will cut this and stick it on the back so I can know that which color is which. So this is my all pastel colors. Like this is all pastels, and I also added some green, like 1, 2, 3 greens. Yeah, because I had space. And now I have to do this whole thing again. So like after 3 to 4 hours of like work, I finally arrange all of them. Like there is like yellow to green color. This is the brushes, and I label them. I assorted them, then I label them properly so the names are like proper here. I assorted them like light to deeper, like yellow, red, purple, blue and greens. And then also I got here, they are not all of them. Then I also did like here are blacks and browns, and also my pastel set I assorted here. All pastels and some browns, little reddish browns. All are here. All 77 colors are like this box and that. And also this one is, I don't know, the sticky, very sticky. I will swatch them. This is like granulated set. So if you wanna see the all of them swatching, stay tuned for the second part of this video where I will swatch and test each and every one. I also test this I also will test this one, masking fluid, and I'm very excited for my like silver brushes. Like they look pretty, like they look really pretty. And also I'm very excited to try these papers. So yeah, stay tuned for that and see you later. Bye bye.